A lot of people struggle with changing their behavior, whether it's financial or getting in the gym. For you starting this new fitness routine, what's going to be that deciding factor that allows you to continue to make this a part of your lifestyle, not just, hey, I did a 90-day challenge?
The results. I'm not even doing a 90-day challenge. I'm just dedicating 7 days. That's it. One of my favorite meetings that I used to run is the Will Smith one brick at a time, right? One brick at a time, right? A lot of us get consumed with building the wall, right? His dad asked him, he tore a wall down in the store. Him and his brother had to build it up. You ever heard this? So they had to build it up, right? And what you get focused on is the wall. And you're like, it's a wall we got to build, bro. He said, what you got to focus on is just laying one brick perfectly as you can do, perfectly lay a brick. And you keep doing that, and then you get a what?
A wall.
A wall, right?
Yeah.
I've already had these lessons, but I never applied it to working out and eating healthy, right? If I do a challenge for 3 months, 4 months, I'm going to get consumed with the wall. Because after 3 weeks, I'm comparing 3 weeks to 4 months.
Yeah.
So it unmotivates me. But if I'm like, hey, bro, just do it for 7 days. That's literally how I started 3 weeks ago. I was just like, just do it for 7 days. You hate water, just drink water for 7 days and just see. I did it. And then guess what? I'm like, oh, my face got a little bit smaller. When you work hard and you get results, you get motivated. So that 7 days turned to 2. Let me do it again. Then I put some pants on. I was like, I added working out in with the work. Damn, I couldn't fit these a month ago. I was about to send these back because I just got them. Let me do another 7 days. I'm just focused on 7 days. Can I keep doing it for 7 days? It's going to become a habit. It's going to become second nature. Like, it's already second nature. Like, I got this water, but I got the big jug in the car. Like, my first thing now is just to fill that up. I hate water. Only time I drink water is like if I'm eating like some breakfast and it ain't no milk or orange juice. That's the only time I be like, let me get a glass of water because it's too much sugar. Other than that, I'm not just walking, or if I just worked out, I appreciate water. But I'm not just drinking water like y'all. Like, I hate it. But now it's like a habit now. Now that gallon where you like, come on, you almost there and stuff like that. I don't even be looking. It just be habit now. I just be drinking, not even realizing what time it was. I'm looking, I'm at 5 p.m. It's 12 o'clock. I'm at the 5 p.m. mark because it's just like something to do. And that's what it was when I was eating unhealthy. I'm making bets. Let me get this pack of donuts. Let me get this candy bar.
Yeah.
I'm not thirsty. It's just
habits.
It's just a habit.
Yeah.
Behavior.
And that's what success in everything is about, replacing your habit. Because it's like when people stop smoking or stop drinking.
Yeah.
I quit drinking. I'm going on 3 years never drinking.
That's dope.
So instead of quitting, I just replaced that bad habit and I just started drinking Diet Pop. Because I used to drink beers, and what I used to like was the carbonation from the beer.
Yeah.
But if I can get that carbonation from a Diet Coke, then I can sub it out and I quit.
Yeah.
A lot of things that come from success is replacing bad habits with good habits, and then you look up and where you want to be.
Where you want to be, yeah, man. I think that's the next step, man. Like, if I could be an example to anybody, man, it worked. I'm talking about like 3 weeks, bro. Like, if anybody tell you that like the last 2 years being around me, it just seemed like I was just so busy and tired. And somebody told me, it's just like, man, maybe it's your health that got you acting like this. Maybe it's your health. Because I was just in my head about other stuff and insecurities, I'm just like, nah, you been hard-headed, and that ain't it, nigga. Went to the doctor. I'm healthy because I don't drink. I don't do anything that harms my body. I don't even overdo eating fast food, right? But it's the years of just not doing nothing else healthy. I eat healthy sometimes, but the inconsistencies of it. If I was really overdoing it, bro, I'd be up out of here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Doing all this hard liquor, I probably been up out of here.
And what I noticed from people in your industry that travel a lot and it's on the road, they eat out a lot. The comedians drink a lot.
They do.
Yeah.
That's part of it, man. That's why you see a lot of comedians be passing away at young ages, bro, because that lifestyle, you drinking, you smoking, you doing drugs, you on the road, so you ain't got no home cooked meal, you eating fast food, sleep, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro. These 3 weeks, I normally do it, and I normally get motivated for a short period of time, and then I end up stopping. This is the first time where I felt like, nah, I ain't stopping. I normally know where I'm just like, damn, I'm about to bullshit next week. I don't even want to. On the podcast, they trying to give me some, I love Reese cups. They're like, oh, I brought you some Reese. I'm like, I'm on my journey right now. Any other day, I would have been like, it's just today.